Oh, hey, good morning. Big E's, welcome to Big E's Auto. Replying to Ricardo, he had left a comment on one of my videos about the wipers for the C4 Corvette. Here, people talking about cleaning the connections can sometimes help with getting the wipers to work. True, and he wasn't sure what they meant by connections. So the only connections I can come up with, other that have to deal directly with the wipers, is on your wiper switch. Okay, there's connectors here. One common thing, if you with electrical, is any kind of condensation can cause corrosion. That green looking crap looks just whatever, looks like, alien puke all over it. So cleaning them would be, what I take is, I'll take like a piece of 400 grit sandpaper. Oh, this is 1500. 1500 works too. You don't want anything too abrasive because there's not really a lot of plating on these connections. Okay, so if yours is corroded, what I would do, go with the direction. Don't go across, go with. Until you get a nice, little shinier, hard to tell, but it's shinier. And then get your backside. Alright, and then what you can do, as far as the connector that's coming off your wire harness, plug it in, plug it out, plug it in, plug it out. Blow it off in between each plugging and unplugging. Do that about 3 or 4 times, and then that should clean the connections inside the connector, on the wire harness coming off the door. Okay, and like I said, I wouldn't go any rougher than 400 grit. This is 1500, and that should be enough. Even now it's getting it even shinier. But go with the direction of connectors. And if you do that, if you have green corrosion, black, whatever, could be white as well. Do that. And that's what I'm thinking that they're meaning with cleaning the connections. Anyway, Ricardo, I hope this helps. I hope you have success in your project. Wish you all the best. Everybody else, watch out for each other. Take care of each other. See you next time right here on Big E's. Bye for now.